Yeah, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sony WH-XB910N extra bass headphones with mentioned 30-hour battery life as well as noise cancellation technology. And of course it does support some smart assistance capabilities built in and other supported smart assistants. There's some features written in the back. There's basically touch bass controls, and this is extra bass headphones, which basically means that you can have emphasis on bass. This is not the first time Sony has done something like this, and it's something they're well known for. The Sony WH-XM910N, I just simply call them the XM5, are great at this. I've reviewed it. I've linked to that reviews in the description, and it's my daily driver headphones. They have a dedicated section in the equalizer for an extra notch to adjust the bass even higher. So Sony's really a bass enthusiast, and this is kind of another shining example of that. So the first thing is some voucher for some free tracks, some safety warranty information, a quick start guide, which kind of just opens up to a giant manual, which I'm not going to really get into, and then another documentation, which is additional product information, if you will, kind of like, I guess, the certifications of what kind of electricity usage and all that other boring stuff. Anyway, moving along. This is a hard Traveler'S case, so it's not soft. You will protect your investment when traveling. This is pretty hard. So thankfully, that's always nice to see. And then of course, there are the headphones themselves. They do collapse in, so slightly more portability when traveling. Just going to demonstrate that really quickly for you guys. It works on both ear cups. And just checking the rotation really quick, just curious. I want to see what they're like. They feel incredibly light in the hand, way lighter than anticipated, but it'll be interesting seeing what the actual measurement of the weight is. All that information will be in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. There's a charging cable. It's a USB-C and a USB-A on each end, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable because it does have a headphone jack supported notch, or port rather. And that's pretty much it. Again, you can find a link to the review in the video description, as well as my social media links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.